three-dimensional object has length, width, and depth or height. In other words, it embraces space. Let us take a look at a simple example in daily life. We take glass and fill it up with some water. Anyway, we can stop at one point, filling it up with water, even not fully full. It is said that glasses hold water. However, the glass has maximum capacity of containing amount of water. The amount of space occupied by some three-dimensional object is called the volume. Hence, the volume of the glass is identified by how many liters of water contained within at its maximum capacity. Every three-dimensional object has its own unique way to derive its volume. Such formula applies only in several objects. In this chapter, we will explore the volume of cube, cuboid, prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder, and sphere, and its formula. Cube. Given the S as the length of the size of the cube, then the volume of the cube is given by the following formula. V equals S times S times S equals S to the power of 3. Cuboid. Given the length, width, and height of the cuboid as L, W, and H respectively, then the volume of the cuboid can be found by the following formula. Volume equals L times W times H.
Volume formula of triangular prism. General formula for prism with height H is volume equals area of the base times height. Given triangles as the base of such prism with height H, then the volume of the prism can be obtained by following formula. Volume equals area of triangle times H.
Square pyramid. General formula of volume for pyramid with height is volume equals 1/3 times area of base times height. Given square as the base of sub-pyramid with height, then the volume of the pyramid can be obtained by following formula. Volume equals 1/3 times area of square times height.
Volume formula of cylinder. Given the radius of the base R and the height of cylinder H, then the volume of cylinder is obtained by volume is equals area of base times H, or volume is equals P times P squared times H. Next, volume formula of cone. Given the radius of the base R, then the height of the cone is H. Then the volume of the cone can be obtained by this following formula. Volume is equals 1/3 times area of circles times H, or volume is equals 1/3 times P times R squared times H. Volume formula of sphere. Given the sphere with radius R, then the volume of the sphere can be obtained by using this following formula. Volume is equals 4/3 times P times R squared.
How do we calculate the volume of a pyramid? This will be different from a prism because you cannot just multiply the base times height, as the triangular face slopes inward. Instead, we will use the formula 1/3 base times height. So, if we have a square pyramid which has a base with a length of 3 and the pyramid has a height of 5, we get 9 for the base times 5 is 45 times 1/3 is 15 cubic meters. What if we don't know the height of the pyramid, only the height of the triangles? Luckily, we know the Pythagorean theorem. So, we could imagine a triangle where one leg is the height of the pyramid. The other length is half the length of the base, and the hypotenuse is the height of the triangular face. E squared plus B squared equals C squared. We plug them into the equation. 3 squared plus 8 squared equals 5 squared. 9 plus 8 squared equals 25. 8 squared equals 25 minus 9. So, h equals 4 meters. And we can then solve for the h. So, it's just one extra step.
For example, an ornamental fish trader wants to build an aquarium frame using aluminium. The framework is in the form of a cuboid with a size of 2 meters times 1 meters times 50 centimeters. If the price of aluminium is 30,000 Indonesian rupiah over meters, then the cost needed to make aquarium frame is solution based on the story problem above. We can see that the aquarium is in the form of a block with the following size. Length is 2 meters, width is 1 meters, and height is 50 centimeters. We convert 2 meters to 0.5 meters. Price of aluminium is 30,000 Indonesian rupiah over meters. The cost required to make the aluminium frame is: Step 1. Length aluminium required 4 times length plus width plus height equals 4 times 2 meters plus 1 meters plus 50 centimeters equals 4 times 2 meters plus 1 meters plus 0.5 meters equals 4 times 3.5 meters and equals 14 meters. Step 2. Cost required 14 times 30,000 Indonesian rupiah over meters equals 420,000 Indonesian rupiah. So, the cost needed to make the aluminium frame is 420,000 Indonesian rupiah. After studying the chapter of volume of three-dimensional object, it can be summarized that: first, volume of object implies the amount of space the object can contain within. Second, the volume of cube and cuboid depends on the length of its side. Third, the volume of prism and pyramid depends on the area of base and the height of both objects. Fourth, the volume of cone depends on the area of circular base and the height of cone. Fifth, the volume of sphere depends on its radius or diameter. Sixth, there are many daily life cases that relate to the use of volume of three-dimensional objects.